The moon, our silent companion in the night sky. But have you ever wondered how it got there? Where did the moon come from? Scientists have debated this for centuries, but today we'll uncover the most widely accepted theory of the moon's formation. Get ready to explore one of the greatest cosmic events in history. The most widely accepted theory is called the giant impact hypothesis. Scientists believe that about 4.5 billion years ago, a massive celestial body, roughly the size of Mars, collided with Earth. This planet, known as Theia, smashed into our young planet at an incredible speed. The impact was so powerful that it ejected a huge amount of debris into space. Over time, gravity pulled these scattered pieces together, forming what would become our moon. Slowly it cooled, shaped by volcanic activity and countless asteroid impacts, until it became the familiar celestial body we see today. But this isn't the only theory. Some scientists suggest that the moon was once a wandering celestial body captured by Earth's gravity. Others believe that the moon formed alongside Earth from the same dust and gas cloud. The moon's formation was a violent and chaotic event, but without it, life on Earth might not exist as we know it. It stabilizes our planet's tilt, controls the tides, and lights up our night sky. What do you think about the moon's origin? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space mysteries. See you in the next video.